Introducing the reliable OVO 150 GT. Portable steam iron and garment steamer's unique and patented heating element allows the user, for the first time, to have a steam iron and a garment steamer in one compact and easy-to-use unit. Once water enters the unit, following into the reservoir, the pump takes the water through the heating element. At the touch of a button, the heating element produces steam that moves through the heated Easy Glide ceramic sole plate holes. This unique design produces steam both horizontally and vertically without leakage. The silicone iron rest and travel case completes this incredible one-stop garment care solution. Powerful enough for your everyday needs, yet compact enough to store away in a drawer. The reliable OVO 150 GT.